Public alleges Scarborough Autonomous Council CM of failing to deliver on his promises. RYDC meets MP Horan Singh Bey, urges for support to start coaching center. Hello and welcome to Kirby Live. I am Jillian Sipi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. People of 19 villages under Lumbajong constituency have expressed their great disappointment against Team Kirby, alleging that Kirby Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang had failed to deliver on his promises made to them. Owing to this, the people of Mijung Disa, Tari Adong, Langkaijan and adjacent areas had to step forward to repair their road. Located at around 20 kilometers away from Diphu, these 19 villages are deprived of good road due to the indifference of the authority. On Tuesday, Samson Teron faction of the KSA Diphu District Committee, led by its president Jona Singh Bey, led the people of the villages to clear the thickets covering the roads on both sides. While repairing the road, locals said that Kirby Autonomous Council CM promised to construct a blacktopping road connecting 5-kilometer Lamding and Langkaijan to Pranpre area at the last edition of the Langkai Fairs. However, to date, no sign for the fulfillment of the promise is seen anywhere, the villagers informed. Further, the villagers said that Kirby Autonomous Council chief also promised to provide land patas and construct 100 ring wells, which too have remained unfulfilled till date. The villagers also slammed political leaders of only making false promising to lure their votes, but none of their promises is executed.
Non Kirby kacari bom akehai tuliram rong hangpan alangli pang cuni riang tu bang lalo pini alangli langkayan festival along alangli kaci cakang ke to nombor sige toa nang pipo pulo nombor hini ke pota nang pipo pulo lapen border tami nang tik pipo pu la so puthak alang pela ringvel puthak sami nonan success sela la si lahaya puthak antame alangli patang di pansini ri cuni ri nalang dili dak daria dong arat dili Kirby council kacari akthi kiding akhe tumhan kening je bakachuni riji ki puja lama la pulo dili tum dak daria dong habar dipu mate Kirby arong sopi dipu pen gailo kilometer potrok ajakan sido lanang bong sitani tum Kirby Autonomous Council hin pen tha kerap long le.
KSA CEC President Samson Teron also visited the village during the work. The KSA President, however, urged upon the government of Assam and Kirby Autonomous Council to give more focus on developing the border areas. He also appealed upon the Kirby Autonomous Council to fulfill their commitments made to the people.
Ale tum ke dam tang aji ding kui pen ne towar lapen lang so ka dure apu tha ka jering kui pen council ban ka pachini la puson dolo boy fit se tame pinian ta la sokelang pang kreve a jok si pini bange rong so amena jungjung thur pak si pini tuar ka chi hut tuar ka chi selam la solong ne tum tame Kirby Jolia song tum tame nangkelang nangachi lang dolo.
News Text Report, Kirby Live. The 6th Kirby Champion League football tournament came to an end on Tuesday. The final match was played between Thekeri FC and Monja Reunited FC and was held at Arlong Ingnar Playground, Umrangso. Hanse scored 1 goal before the end of the first half-time. After a tough fight by the both teams, another goal by Thekeri FC was netted by Stephen Hanse in the second half. With the second goal, the Thekeri FC beat Monja Reunited FC to clinch the trophy. During the closing ceremony, award ceremony of the 6th Kirby Champion League, President of Garampani Sports Association, Chandan Hojai, was present as the chief guest along with GPSA General Secretary Sarmen Timong, Umrangso Mojadar Mensing Ronghi, several other social organizations leaders including Kirby Students Association, Dimasa Students Union, Kirby Soarlo Song. The winning team was awarded a sum of Rs 10,000 cash along with a trophy. The runners-up team was given 5,000 cash money along with a trophy. Jonison Durong grabbed the highest scorer of the tournament award by scoring 16 goals. The Best Goalkeeper award was awarded to Alvinus Ingling, youngest player awarded to Leningjan Timung, aged 12 years, and the Best Player award was given to Stephen Teron. KCL President Karmal Chintong and General Secretary Stephen Timong, while speaking to media, thanked all the teams and the public for their support to the league.
So I'm so glad to announce that we are going to have today final match, the match between Monjir Reunited FC versus Category FC Longru. So today I'm so happy that many crowds are gathering here and guests are there, and many publics are supporting their teams, and we are so glad that many teams are participating in this Champions League, Kirby Champions League, and total teams are 19.
Linson Ronghang report from Umrongso, Karbenglong Live. The first executive meeting of the Havarkat ST Marcha was held on Wednesday. Here is a report. The meeting began at around 10 a.m. in the morning and was chaired by Havarkat ST Marcha President Sokuram Kathar. The ST Marcha executive meeting was attended Medical in Charge EM Khonsing Rongpi, State Conciliator Longki Timong, HMB Chairman Pratap Hendik, LEMS Chairman Dhoniram Kro, Havarkat BJP Secretary Ganesh Inghi, and several other party workers. EM Khonsing Rongpi said that the Marcha had been formed to further strengthen the BJP party in the grassroots level. He urged upon the people present to dedicate their vote to BJP for the rest of their life and work harder for the sake of the party. Havarkat ST Marcha President Sokuram Kathar said that the long-standing demand Kirby Anglong for the autonomous state can be fulfilled only by the BJP.
ST Marcha yet 19 আছে এই 19 জনৰ এইটো কামটো হ'ব তাৰপিছত এই কামটো সংগঠনে যে আজি ইমান মৰ্চা খুলি আছে কিয় খুলি আছে গম পাইনে BJP is not only for 5 years, it is for 5 লগত কি সংযোগ কৰিব লাগিব কি কৰিব লাগিব 0 তেনেহলে কিমান হ'ব 50 years.
আজি হাৰঘাট মণ্ডলৰ ST মৰ্চাৰ এটা এক্সিকিউটিভ মিটিং ইয়ালৈ আহিলোঁ বিশেষকৈ হাৰঘাট মণ্ডলৰ গতিকে আহি মই খুব ভাল পাইছোঁ ভালেমান কথা প্ৰস্তাৱ লৈছোঁ বুলি শুনিছোঁ তথাপিতো আমি গ্ৰাউণ্ড লেভেল প্ৰিপেৰেশ্যন গ্ৰাছ লেভেল প্ৰিপেৰেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে ST মৰ্চাৰ ৰোলটো অতি জৰুৰী খুব দৰকাৰ যিহেতুকে বৰ্তমান পাৰ্লামেণ্ট কনষ্টিটুৱেঞ্চি ST পাৰ্লামেণ্ট কনষ্টিটুৱেঞ্চি আৰু হাৰঘাট LAC মানে ৰিজাৰ্ভ কনষ্টিটুৱেঞ্চি ST কনষ্টিটুৱেঞ্চি গতিকে এনেকৈ ST মৰ্চাৰ ৰোলটো অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ ইয়াত আছে
হাৰঘাট মিচিয়া Itungge ST po hempre ke nang vekto mane prabdin pen hempre ke nang vekto sin ituma him pen ke jingwail hai athema ke dampang gopan ningkan mene hempre klok sin itungge kham no asuda kapre ka tum dole hai
Harsing Rompi from Havarkat, Karbenglong Live. The Rongkhang Youth Development Committee had on Wednesday met MP Horan Singh Bey and apprised him about the plans they have of starting various coaching centers in order to create a good environment for the youths in the society. The RYDC team was led by its president Sarkorim Teramilik and secretary John Terang and was accompanied by several executive members. The team urged the MP to provide them needful assistance for the launch of various awareness and coaching programs for the youths of the area. Meanwhile, MP Horan Singh Bey had assured that he will provide all help possible to the RYDC. He said that the youths need more guidance in the field of competitive exams like UPSC, APSC and others, and for this, the RYDC's vision for a coaching center is very vital. As per the request of the RYDC, the MP also compiled to put up the statue of the first Kirby to form a village, Rukasan at Satgaon Market. He also said that he will take up early steps to change the name of Satgaon to Rongtroksi, which will reflect the identity of being a place in Kirby Anglong. News Desk Report, Kirby Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, one local youth was killed on the spot after being hit by an unknown speeding vehicle on Tuesday night at Desoi Kro village along Dilai to Sarihajan Road in Hidipi under the Dilai police station. The victim youth has been identified as Hidipi Desoi Kro village resident and 22-year-old Busing Tiso, son of Klengdon Tiso and Kawe Bepi. Following this incident, shock and grief engulfed family members, friends, and the entire village. The accident was immediately informed to Delhi police, who also rushed to the spot for investigation and another process. Police, however, informed that the vehicle escaped from the scene and remained untraced, taking the advantage of the dark night. Vijay Rongpi report from Delhi, Kirby Line. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Kirby Live.